Last time on Galactic Football.
Bennett, we have no choice but to go to Infiltration Code Red on Paradisia.
I just want to inform you that Sonny Blackbones and his pirates are here on Paradisia.
The Central Unit's artificial intelligence eye has spotted us.
Wow, May scores! What a pair these two players make!
Go, Yuki, go!
And the matches are over!
4-0 Shadows victory over the Rikers.
And the Electras win as well. 3-2 over the Cyclops.
Welcome to Paradisia, Sonny.
Tell me about the multiflux, Magnus Blade. Magnus, the multiflux. You don't know what you're dealing with. Don't do it.
What did you do to him?
I poisoned him.
And what are you going to do with him?
I will simply get rid of him. Like anyone who gets in my way.
It's Sonny's distress signal. Bennett, Marty, set your radars to frequency M2212. Go! Go, find him, now! Everyone at their post. This is not a drill. Where can he be? We'll never find him.
There. The signal says he's down there. There! Sonny!
Sonny! Wake up, Sonny! Bennett! Get us out of here!
Grab this! Okay, Corso. We've just found Sonny.
We'll put him on.
Can't do that. He's unconscious.
Hey, he's coming too.
Clamp, I have to see Clamp.
Someone injected him with poison. If you hadn't called me, he would already be dead.
It's Phoenix. Sonny went to see him, alone. I never should have let him go.
Lord Phoenix, but that's impossible.
Sonny thought he was suspicious right from the start, and I'm sure I've seen Phoenix somewhere before. But where?
He's in serious condition. He must remain here and can't be moved.
That's fine. He's safe here.
You have to realize that this is a rare and extremely potent poison. I'm not sure I'll be able to counteract it.
Arcadia Sports, live from Paradisia, with Callie and Nork.
Good evening, Holo viewers. We have another exciting program for you tonight.
Yes, Callie, this tournament is simply out of this world. 2 highly anticipated matches tonight. Team Paradisia versus the Wambas, and the Pirates versus the Snow Kids. Everyone is waiting to see if the Snow Kids will still be the Snow Kids, because the team playing tonight has been turned upside down. Will they even be up to the challenge posed by the Pirates? Nothing is certain.
Another big question. Team Paradisia, just hype or brilliant team? What if signing Jock was just a marketing ploy?
Can he make the difference all by himself and bring the team the victory?
It wouldn't be the first time.
Jock, we're waiting for you at the press conference.
Yeah, I'm coming. I said I'm Clamp? I hope this isn't about the Snow Kids, because I'm not on the team anymore.
That's not why I'm calling you.
Okay, what is it? But make it fast, I'm busy.
I know this is not the best time, but there's a problem with your father, Jock. He's here on Paradisia.
What? Sonny's on Paradisia? What's wrong?
Listen, don't worry about it. Just come and see me after the match and I'll fill you in. And good luck with your match, Jock.
Thanks, Clamp.
Cyclops dance. Phew. Phew.
So, Jock, do you miss the Snow Kids?
Huh? Who, me? No!
No? I knew you had a weakness for girl footballers, but the entire Team Paradisia all to yourself? Not bad.
I have a weakness for winning teams. That's all.
Then you should have joined the Shadows.
We're going to win, May. Team Paradisia is going to win.
In the meantime, I have to go.
Okay. That's enough for today.
Woo! Woo! We're gonna destroy the pirates.
Yeah, I feel great. I'm gonna eat them up.
It could be just the opposite.
Marco boy, you disappoint me. We have to win. It's part of our job.
Tia? Yoo-hoo! Tia! Hey, May! Hey there, what's up, guys? What? You still resent me? Is that it? Come on, say something.
Yeah!
I made a lot of progress. And everyone is going to be surprised by how extreme my playing is.
Any more questions?
Jock, one question.
We're far from being ready for tonight's match, even against the pirates.
Since when are you the pessimist, Arch? I thought that was my job.
Open your eyes, Artegor. Our team is a complete mess.
You're a mess, Arch. These kids are champions. Remind me how many GF Cups we've won, huh?
That's not the problem.
I admit that things have been topsy-turvy in Achillean as of late, but we have to trust them. They're just missing one little spark to make them go all out.
Your turn, please.
And let's welcome the Snow Kids!
A question for Lanzia. How are you adjusting to playing on the team?
There have been some ups and downs, but nothing serious. Everyone's been great to me, and I feel like I'm part of the Snow Kids family now.
Another question?
After your disastrous 4-0 loss to the Shadows, the desertion of 3 players, not to mention the terrible health problems of your captain, don't you think that the Snow Kids are all washed up?
I thought only journalists were allowed in the press room.
Gently, gently. You bunch of barbarians. One day I'll have my own show. Well.
Everything okay, Captain?
Huh? And why wouldn't it be?
You're funny, Jock. And I like you. A lot.
I don't know why I'm here. Why I'm doing all this.
We're here to win. And the two of us make a good team.
Don't we?
Is that a scoop or what? You've outdone yourself, Sharky.
means that Jock isn't on the market anymore, if you know what I mean. There is obviously a good feeling on Team Paradisia.
Excellent, Totaro. That's exactly what the public wants. Romance, passion, dreams. That's what Paradisia is all about. Anger and frustration motivate him and make him even better. For the match, tell the girls to pay particular attention to, shall we say, leave him hungry for more?
They will be happy to play at that game.
Romance? Passion? You wouldn't happen to be a dreamer, Lord Phoenix, would you?
Can't you knock like everyone else?
I can go wherever I please on this planet too. We have that much in common. I've come to tell you that, as planned, small quantities of the multiflux have been injected into the planet's core.
When will this procedure be finished?
It will take some time. My employer says we must be very prudent and not rush anything. It would be a shame to ruin such a grandiose show, to shatter such a beautiful dream.
Hello, dear Holo viewers. The show is about to begin.
Two incredible matches for tonight. At Dome Stadium, the Snow Kids versus the Pirates. At Deep Stadium, Team Paradisia versus the Wambas.
You could just imagine what the pressure is like in the locker rooms.
Okay, as you saw a little while ago, no one expects you to win. But who cares what they think? It's a great opportunity.
Yes, an opportunity. Despite adversity, you're going to rise up and fight, and no matter how it all turns out, because you are the Snow Kids. Go, Snow, go!
Go, Snow, go!
Okay, here we are. Now let's do it together.
We tighten our defense.
We look for the good pass.
We fight for every loose ball.
We put an end to all criticism.
We destroy them.
And we send the pirates back to Shiloh.
Go, Snow, go!
Woohoo! What motivation! It looks like the Snow Kids haven't come to fool around.
Go, Snow. Go.
The entire galaxy has its eyes glued on this match to see what the new Snow Kids are worth.
Let's hope that they can surprise us. Judging from their press conference, we have our doubts. This might be the end of a beautiful Cinderella story.
And now, let's go see what's going on at Deep Stadium, where the match will start in a few moments.
Jock calls for the ball, but Mickey 4 prefers passing back to Kim 2.
An extraordinary goal from Kim 2. What a powerful shot!
Amazing! What an introduction! Let's take a quick look at what's happening over in Dome Stadium.
Well, over here, we've a rather equal match between two solid groups of midfielders who keep each other in check. But watch out for an opening.
Oh no! An incredible lack of communication between TF and Lunzia.
Well, that didn't take long. A real beginner's mistake. And it only takes one for the Pirates to open the score.
Apparently, the Pirates are taking no prisoners.
Come on, Micro Ice. Come on.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on!
Artie.
I'll go now. It's better for Sonny. Beeline to Dome Stadium. Artie, old boy, you're gonna see some real action.
If I miss this, it'll be much worse than losing my shorts. Yee-ha!
And that's it! The Snow Kids are back in the game!
A magnificent Snow Kids goal just before halftime.
It just goes to show you, maybe we wrote them off a little too quickly.
Haha, yeah, maybe. Well, we'll be right back after these messages.
I need a cold drink. A really, really cold drink.
When the days are this hot, you need Mice Delight.
We're back in Deep Stadium. Oh, Jock seems to be taking matters into his own hands, and he's using the breath. Yeah.
Hey, tell me, how do I get to the stands? This Dome Stadium is a real maze.
This is Deep Stadium.
Aw, man.
Go, Snow, go!
Rocket.
I can't keep playing.
It doesn't look like Rocket's condition is serious, but oh boy, what a tough blow for the Snow Kids, who will finish the match short one player.
Meaning this is Mission Impossible.
Let's go! Hang in there! Don't give up!
And now it's obvious. There is only one team on the field. Team Paradisia. Offensive by the Pirates. Oh, great stop from Mojito. It's a penalty!
Here, this one's for you.
Here we go.
Wow! A terrific penalty kick from Tia to finish off the Pirates. And that's the end of the match. Go, Snow, go! Excuse me, just slipped out.
What? Don't tell me it's already over.
We're still the Snow Kids!
You see, they gave their all. That's what champions do.
Please, please.
Ah, what a victory. With a captain like you, we're sure to win this tournament.
Yeah, but my teammates don't have much team spirit. These girls are really weird. There's something kooky about them.
A little adversity, a little competition, that's what makes a player. Isn't that true, my boy?
All the same, I've got a few things to say to them.
Hold on, Jock.
But what did... They're...
Cyborgs. Yes, Jock. I wanted to tell you. And most of all, they're excellent football players. The best in the galaxy. When you demonstrate team spirit, they will base their game plan on yours.
I'm playing with cyborgs?
Trust me, my boy. Everything I do is done expressly for victory.
The same goes for me. And that's what they should do, too.
Thanks for coming, Jock. Here.
Hang in there, Dad. You always pull through.
Jock, you need to know that the pirates think Phoenix is responsible for what happened to Sunny.
What? Lord Phoenix?
Next time on Galactic Football.
Today we have 2 exciting matches in store for you. The Xenons versus the Technodroid V4s in the Dome Stadium, and the Lightnings versus the Red Tigers in the Deep Stadium.
Yes, yes, yes! We have a team!
You can't do that.
As I recall, I'm still the coach of the Snow Kids.
What are you afraid of?
I'm not afraid, Artagor.
Take a joke, Jock. I was just kidding.
Nothing's funny right now, Micro Ice. I'm under a lot of pressure, but you'd never understand that.
Last time on Galactic Football.
It's Sonny's distress signal. Bennett, Artie, go! Go, find him, now!
Wake up, Sonny.
Bennett!
Grab this.
Clamp, I have to see Clamp.
Despite adversity, you're going to rise up and fight, and no matter how it all turns out, because you are the Snow Kids.
I can't keep playing.
Let's go! Hang in there! Don't give up!
It's a penalty!
Here, this one's for you.
A terrific penalty kick from Tia to finish off the Pirates.
You're funny, Jack. And I like you.
Is that a scoop or what?
But what did... They're...
Cyborgs.
Jock, you need to know that the pirates think Phoenix is responsible for what happened to Sunny.
Spanning the galaxy and beyond, Arcadia Sports, live from Paradisia. And now, Callie and Nork.
Greetings, Galactic football fans. Today we have 2 exciting matches in store for you. The Xenons versus the Technodroid V4s in the Dome Stadium, and the Lightnings versus the Red Tigers in the Deep Stadium.
But first, it's the Xenons versus the Technodroid V4s from the Dome Stadium.
Perhaps we should mention that the Technodroid V4s are not a mixed flux team. First, they're robots. They don't have a flux of their own. Second, Duke Maddox, head of Technoid, insisted they play as a team. Alone.
Here we are. I've got a very good feeling about this match. A very good feeling indeed. Our Technodroid V4s are the best robo-footballers in the entire galaxy. Isn't that right?
Oh, yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
absolutely.
yes.
Yes,
sir.
better than the previous one. We will have some fun.
And Lure powers down the field. The Technodroid defense looks helpless.
Wow, look at that! What skill! Lure of the Xenons sure knows how to make a quick impression on the pitch!
It's very possible that this match will be a bit one-sided. Technoid has yet to create a robo-footballer that could stand up to a team like the Xenons. Go, Xenons!
Can anybody tell me what's happening here?
Sir, we appear to be losing.
If we lose, you will all be taking the Astro Bus back to Genesis Stadium, and it stops at all the planets.
Another goal by Lure, making it 3-0 Xenons. Well, Barry, let's switch over to the action that is just underway at the Deep Stadium.
Covered in flux drives down the pitch. 2 red tigers close in, covered in the breath. They tackle and strip him of the ball.
Huh?
Unbelievable! Over to the Riker striker. Now there's a surprise. It looks like the Red Tigers have come to play, armed with the breath of a Killian. Although Warren is not a player who will lie down quietly.
That's true. And it's still very early in the match.
That didn't just happen. Whoa! They have the breath!
Don't worry. The Red Tigers will never beat the Lightnings, right?
I'm not sure.
Poor Warren. He must be really disappointed.
Warren is a professional. He's never disappointed for long.
There might be more than one team from Achillean after all.
I sincerely doubt it.
See that, Simbai?
Yes, it looks like he's suffering from resonance as well. He was one of the Netherball players.
Come on, Warren! You can do it! Huh? The Red Tigers score again, aided by their Riker striker. 2-0, Red Tigers.
I think Warren will turn it on now. He knows he has to, else he'll lose his own team.
Would you like to play for the Lightnings?
You bet, as long as Lunzia would join me.
You're mean.
It appears the Red Tigers might be able to hold their own.
The Lightnings are far from dead.
Yes! Go Lightning!
Warren is too good.
It's 2-1 Red Tigers at the Deep Stadium. Let's go back to the Dome Stadium to see how the Robo-Footballers are faring.
It seems that while we were away, the Xenons have been cleaning up the pitch with the hapless Technodroid V4s, scoring 2 more goals. Here they are. First, Lure makes a very creative goal with a little help from his Cyclops teammate, making it 4-0 Xenons. Then, Lure and his striker make it 5-0 with a punishing goal. However, in a moment of madness, Lure fouls a Technodroid V4 defender, ending up in the penalty chamber.
We're back live in the Dome Stadium, and Lure's back on the pitch.
He may be a bit too late. Look what's happening downfield. Wow! Goal, Technodroids! That's got to hurt Lure's reptilian pride.
Yes, 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 we have a team!
There's joy in the Technoid box, but I think it's a bit premature.
I agree, Barry. Lure is on the prowl, and he doesn't look happy.
And that's the end of the match, and the end of the Technodroid V4 goalkeeper.
Xenons 6, Technodroid V4s 1.
Across the galaxy for this? Let's go. The Astrobus station is that way.
We're back live at the Deep Stadium, and I've got to say, Nork, I don't have a good feeling about the Red Tigers pulling this one off.
They take the lead.
Whoa! What's happening here? Looks like the Red Tigers captain knows it's over as well.
That move will severely weaken his team.
The Red Tigers have never been known for their politeness.
They don't have a prayer now.
That's it. The match is over and the Lightnings advance. Great teamwork by Warren.
There it is again.
Fortunately for Warren, the effects appear lighter for him than for Rocket.
Here are the results from today's other matches. Sandmen of Menor 4, Pulsars 2.
Warren's quite a footballer. He reminds me a bit of how you used to play.
You're too kind, Arch. I guess we should go down to the Holo Trainer.
The Snow Kids won't be training today. I've given them the day off.
You can't do that. They need to be training every single day.
As I recall, I'm still the coach of the Snow Kids. And I say they don't need to train today. I want to ease up a bit.
What are you afraid of?
I'm not afraid, Artegor. We've lost 3 players. I just don't want to push it. We can't afford to lose more.
You cannot win this tournament unless you push them. They need it. They're asking you for it. Can't you see that?
I'm sorry. I've made my decision.
Have it your way, Arch.
It's always a pleasure to see Warren play.
I was happy they beat the Red Tigers. That's a team that needs to learn humility.
Hi, Hito!
Hi, I have to go. Wait up!
You're on your own, Hito. Good luck.
Good luck, little brother.
Hito!
Help!
Hito, wait! I love you. You're my favorite.
Just brilliant. You're an artist.
I'm just a man doing his job.
Well, I've got a new job for you. Your very own Holo TV show. The Sharky Show. What do you think?
I don't know. I like working underground.
You still can. Except now you'll have a wider audience. The entire galaxy.
The entire galaxy? Yes, I'll do it.
I'm glad to see you're a man of action. You'll start immediately. And don't let me down.
I won't. Look out, Galaxy! Here comes Hush Sharky! Whoa!
T-shirt, only 10 standard units.
These Paradisians really know how to throw a party.
My father told me that because the coral stopped glowing, it's been years since the last festival. But now it's glowing again.
Lucky us.
What do you say, Mice? How about digging into a few of those?
I'd eat almost anything. Well, almost. Hey, one just moved.
Yeah, they're better that way. I'll take 2.
He's coming your way, Artie. Do you see him?
I got him. But wait, you see what I see?
He's with someone.
No match. No match.
She's a person of interest. Stay with them, you two. She could lead us to something. Right, Corso? We're on it. What do you think makes it glow like that? It's not flux, that's for sure. Hey, Mark, you should have gone drone surfing with us. Ahito fell asleep and surfed in a circle for half an hour. Good thing you guys woke me, or I'd still be surfing.
I'm feeling stronger since yesterday now that I'm off the pitch.
But what will happen when you're back on the pitch?
I don't know. Simbai says there's nothing she can do. I'll just have to let it pass through me.
Then I'll hold you up next time you fall.
That's good to know.
Remember what I've told you, Lord Phoenix. My employer is not one to disappoint.
Understood.
What do we do, Bennett? You want me to stay with Phoenix?
No, we'll both stay with our target. She seems a slippery one. Stay close.
Maybe Artegor was right. I need to push them. Maybe we should have trained tonight instead of coming to this festival. Ah, Deem. I feel like I'm starting to lose touch with my team.
Arch, how can you say that? You're loved around the galaxy. I've heard there are even new academies popping up. But you know, I would rather talk about anything other than football tonight. I was told this was a party.
It's true. It is a party. I should relax. After all, this is Paradisia, right?
That sounds more like the Arch I used to know.
Look who's here!
Huh?
Our former captain.
Aren't you gonna say hello?
I'm not sure that's a good idea.
Micro Ice, you're afraid of everything. I bet you're afraid of the glowing Carl.
That Carl does look pretty scary. Huh. Okay, I'm coming.
Hi, Jock. Remember me? So lean. How's the new team going?
It's going. I see you're not alone.
Hey, Jock.
Huh? Hi. Huh? You know, Jock, it's never too late to join the Shadows.
Just remember, you're on the losing team, not me.
Huh?
Whoa, where's that coming from?
Oh.
Take a joke, Jock. I was just kidding.
Nothing's funny right now, Micro Ice. I'm under a lot of pressure, but you never understand that. Everything's just a big joke to you, isn't it?
Huh.
Look out! Hurricane Jock coming through!
What's up with him?
I've no idea. I've never seen him like this.
What's with Jock? Doesn't he like parties?
Not anymore.
We've lost her, haven't we?
Artie, there she is. Let's grab her.
What the devil are you doing?
Sorry. Wrong guy.
We thought you were a woman.
Enough! Tourists!
Now we've lost her.
Huh? Maybe. Come on.
Dame Simbai, how's he doing today?
There hasn't been a great deal of change in his condition, but I want you to be prepared for the worst. This toxin inside of him is still unknown.
I understand. Thank you.
I leave you two alone then.
Huh? It's me again. I love you, Dad. Don't give up now. I need you. I'll come back as soon as I can.
Sorry I took so long, Sonny. Forgive me.
That's her. Come on.
What's she doing?
I'm not sure, but it looks suspicious. I bet wherever that sub is going, it'll lead us to the multiflux. Contact Corso and tell him the news. I'll take the sub.
Next time on Galactic Football.
Intruders, don't move. You are surrounded.
You have a plan?
Are you hiding something else from me besides the cyborgs?
You got a problem, Jock?
This is between me and Lord Phoenix.
Today, it's hard to choose which stadium to be in. Both matches should be terrific.
The Snow Kids versus the Xenons, and Team Paradisia versus the Lightning.